Hello students! This is the 2 minutes or less TikTok style version of chapter 9. You mean I can just say it that way? This is one of my favorite chapters in the They Say I Say book because it talks about the fact that you can just say it that way. So don't be afraid to just simply say it. Come out and say it because the readers need to know why they should care about something. People get really caught up in using the right academic formal tone. Write it down first and then we can go back and fix it, okay? So you don't have to abandon your normal voice, like your regular everyday voice, to master an academic voice. You can blend together academic and colloquial styles. So juxtapose those colloquial and academic styles, and you can see there's an excellent example on page 126, 127, where a writer puts those two things together. I highly recommend that you go back and read that. Think of yourself as a translator, okay? So explain the formal language with a simple one. Think of yourself as like a really good doctor, right? Is going to tell you, hey, this is really what's going on in your body, even though maybe you don't understand the full chemistry, biochemistry of it all, right? Go ahead and look at the templates on page 127. There are excellent ones. They say things like Scholar X says, and then you say in other words. This is a key way to write an excellent paper. You can also translate your own complex ideas. Go back and really explain what you're trying to say to the reader. So translating academic speak into everyday speak is a thinking tool that enables you to discover what you're trying to say to begin with. A lot of students spend a lot of time trying to act fancy, but they don't really know what they're trying to say. So try to say it as simply as possible. So, as you probably know, yes, sometimes standard English might be best, but don't forget that English is more open and inclusive than it may appear at first. You still have ways that you can write this kinds of stuff that you want to say. So readers will tolerate and appreciate when a writer takes risks and mixes things up. And if you look, there is a little excerpt from Borderlands that is an excellent excerpt how she mixes the Spanish and the English together to really get what she's trying to say. So don't be afraid to experiment with different things in your writing. With that, I wish you guys the very, very best. I hope you enjoyed this chapter. Please go back and read through it, read through the templates, and I'll see you online.